I did a video titled I Am Jamaican, Not African, and posted it on various social media platforms. As expected, some people had strong reactions, but what stood out the most were comments like, I don't care what you said, you sound colonized. The irony, every single person making those comments was a bleacher, both men and women. These same people who literally erased their natural melanin with chemicals are calling me colonized. Is this a joke? Melanin is a clear representation of African heritage, yet they go out of their way to strip it away in pursuit of a lighter tone. And let's be honest, they don't even achieve the white skin they seem to idolize. They turn pink. Now, there are pink people walking around Jamaica, bundled up in thick hoodies and long sleeve shirts under the scorching sun, all to preserve their fake whiteness. The contradiction is beyond ridiculous, and it's not just in Jamaica. Africans, who should be the foundation of preserving melanin, are also caught up in the bleaching craze. Many are not just bleaching, but also wearing wigs to complete the illusion. It's like they reject their own natural features while still wanting to claim African pride. So let's get this straight. People who alter their skin to imitate whiteness, who risk health issues to maintain a false complexion, are calling me colonized for simply stating my identity. If anything, bleaching is the ultimate form of mental colonization. It's a desperate attempt to fit into a beauty standard that was never designed for us in the first place. At the end of the day, people will do what they want with their bodies. But if you're bleaching your skin and still throwing around the word colonized, maybe take a good look in the mirror before the next layer of cream goes on. Like I said, I identify by my nationality, not my ethnicity. I am Jamaican. Full stop. I'm not finished. Stay tuned for the next post.